Welcome and thank you for being here today. I'm very happy. Today we will talk about e-commerce, and I will show you that you can manage your e-commerce and all the related operations on one single platform. So I will show you that you can save time, money and energy. But first I have a question for you. How fast do you think e-commerce is growing each year?
20%.
Sorry?
20%.
20?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, each year e-commerce is growing 23%, and today, in 2018, e-commerce is the preferred medium for almost 70% of millennials. So you can see that today e-commerce is really important, and it's essential to have a powerful e-commerce platform to run your business. But actually, choosing the right e-commerce platform is not that easy. It can be really complex because there is a lot of actors on the market. You have, for example, Shopify, maybe you know it, Magento, PrestaShop, and so on. And when you have to choose an e-commerce platform, maybe you consider several criteria such as the popularity of the platform, the facility to build your e-commerce, the design, and so on. But have you ever considered the fact that your e-commerce platform has to be integrated with other softwares? For example, your inventory. You cannot afford to sell products that you don't have in stock, for example. Your accounting software, your marketing tools, and so on. Let's have a quick look at what your company might look like with an actor such as Magento. Here you can see that to run your business, to manage all your business operations, you have to add several extensions. For example, Salesforce to manage your CRM, MailChimp to manage your email marketing, and so on. So it means that each time you add an extension, you have to synchronize everything, learn the platform, the extension, adapt to it, and so on. So actually, this could be extremely complex, time-consuming, and expensive. And I'm pretty sure you don't really like that. With Odoo, everything is much simpler and faster. Let's see why. First, with Odoo, you don't need to be a highly skilled developer to build beautiful and professional pages. You just have to drag and drop. So it's really easy and fast. Odoo e-commerce is fully integrated with your inventory. So you can display a real-time inventory on the product pages. You can prevent customers from buying products that you don't have in stock. When a customer, for example, buys 2 products of this chair, your stock decreases from 2 units directly. You can offer some features to your product. For example, here I have a chair in white and in green. And at the bottom we can see that you have a wide range of payment methods to offer to your customers. You can integrate your e-commerce with all major shipping companies such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, or bpost in Belgium. You can track your packages in Odoo directly, and you can print shipping labels in just a few seconds. Odoo e-commerce also allows you to manage your marketing directly in e-commerce app. For example, here you can boost your sales with recommended product accessories, and so on. You can allow your customers to compare the product according to their features. And they can also add their favorite product in their wish list, which is a nice tool. If your customers leave your shop without buying, which is really frustrating, you can automatically send them an email to make them come back and make them buy your product. Another very interesting tool is the SEO optimization tool. So you can select keywords in several languages, titles, descriptions, and so on, and that enables you to have your pages and your website better reference on search engines, just Google, for example. But the main advantage of Odoo eCommerce is that the app is fully integrated with all the other apps in Odoo. So, for example, here you can see that the customer confirmed the order. And directly, you can see the quotation in your sales app. So all the details are directly here. When the customer enters name, address, phone number, and so on, everything is encoded in the contact apps automatically. And when the customer registers the payment is automatically posted in your invoicing app. So you don't have to encode anything. So as you can see, Odoo is really an all-in-one solution. You can manage all your business operations in one single platform. So it enables you to drastically reduce data entries and ensure accuracy. So we saw here you have e-commerce integrated with sales, CRM, email marketing, inventory, payments, accounting, and so on. So as a conclusion, I would like to use a quote from a computer scientist. I really like it. He said, "Fools ignore complexity, pragmatists suffer it, some can avoid it, but geniuses remove it." So stop using multiple platforms, multiple softwares which are not integrated with each other. They make you lose time, money, energy. Just be a genius and choose Odoo.
You're preaching to the converted.
If you have any question? Yes?
It used to be possible to track the website visits of a particular customer on certain pages on the website.
Yes.
One of the things, unfortunately, was never possible to track is whether a customer has visited a particular product page. Do you know if it's now possible to be able to?
Well, you can track links.
No, I'm not talking about links. I'm talking about actually when somebody views a web page. Because you're running a web server, you know every page that you serve up, right? Or you should do. But it's never been possible to actually track.
I think it's possible. I have to check, but I think it's possible.
It wasn't in version 11.
It was in version 11. Already in version 11, it was already possible.
Not a specific product page.
No, you can say, okay, I want to know which products these customers go on my. So you can know the list of all the products that the visitor go.
It wasn't in version 11.
I can show you. When you go to the optimized SEO, you have a track.
It's not on product pages. I know precisely the thing you're talking about, but it doesn't appear on product pages.
I can check after.
Yes?
When you create customers on the fly, are you doing a complete duplication check? When a customer re-enters, for example, and he types an extra space or a dot or whatever, it's easy to create duplicate customers.
I'm not sure it will actually be checking it from the first time, but you have an option to merge contacts within the system, so you could easily, if you see a duplicate, just merge the contact and then you have everything at the same place. Am I right?
Yes?
Maybe it's a product-related question, but I was looking into Magento and connected to Odoo, and I found that pricing possibilities with Magento were more extensive. For instance, maybe, and my question is, maybe what is the position of Odoo on the pricing formula? For instance, if you buy per liter, and you can say, I want a box this wide, this thick, this high, then you have to calculate the volume to estimate the price.
You mean for the delivery or only?
No. If you order a product, it's not always that an attribute is an extra price. Sometimes you have to calculate cost per mil times the mil times the position times the place in time or place. And so then it's a multiplication. Or if you have an area, that is. So if you have products that require configuration, then your price formula is sometimes very difficult. So how do you cope with that?
I think here we don't have a specific. The only thing you could do for the moment in the V12 is just to manage it with price lists, but to really answer a question, I think the answer is no, we cannot do it like Magento probably. I don't know how they do it, but we don't have it.
Or just take it from the bar.
Yes?
Is it possible to have different prices based on the login?
You mean based on a login for a customer?
Yeah, so you have customers that have high volume, but you have different
You manage that
prices.
with the price list.
Yes?
How it works, the recommended system of eCommerce?
The what, sorry?
Before you have the recommended system to compare more product that you
Yes.
suggest. How it works?
Well, actually, when you configure your product, you have a tab where you can add recommend product, and you just select the product that you want to appear on your website.
Okay.
Yes?
And is it a possibility to configure the shipping costs?
Sure.
Because we are using Oxid, for example, in Germany, and in Oxid you can a very, very smart way to configure different kind of products for different kind of combinations of getting a shipping cost. But not just shipping cost for DHL is this and this. So like, can you configure this? Different kind of products to get another price than a single product.
I think here the answer would be depending on the need really, because it will you can configure delivery methods, but actually you can I'm not sure you can do it based on weight, volume or something, but not just to say if you take those two you will have maybe a reduction. I think the only way to do that is with volume or weight, and then that you can configure it directly from the delivery methods.
Any other question? No? Well, thank you.